A Suzuki Jimny wheel spacer is good or bad? Quality Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them properly. The Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel application, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers offer easy and accurate position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The life of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and cheerful appearance. Installing Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems that install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increase in the wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel option. These Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires, but rubbing against the suspension components. Their performance benefits to upgrading the Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risks. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. The BONOSS Forged Optically Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty at any height of 4x4 you want. These Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers have high frame requirements. In addition, the BONOSS Forged Optically Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are designed with hip distribution grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pattern shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow confusing inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer have connection, BONOSS Forged Optically Suzuki Jimny wheel spacer features ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs, as well as ISO grade 10 magnets. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and series certification records. In addition, BONOSS Forged Optically Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives peace of mind. Such BONOSS Forged Optically Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.